Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sending out a swap that the lovely Kim Kelly contacted me. She has an Instagram. I will leave that in the links down below. She contacted me and asked if I'd like to do a swap, ATC swap and a few extras goodies. Yeah, so I'm on today to share what I'm going to be sending out to her. The papers and cut parts I used is from this collection. This is a really old collection that I picked up from the range. I don't think they have this anymore. I've not seen it in there for a while. But yeah, it came with some patterned papers and then loads of cut parts to the collection. So that's what I've used throughout the projects I'm going to share with you. So the first thing is the ATCs. I decided to make a little folder to hold the ATCs, just out of cardstock. Again, these are all the elements from that collection. Yeah, so inside I've made, these are my two ATCs, and I have put a little die set in there as well. So this is the first ATC. The flat back pearls, I was gifted those from the lovely Lisa. Again, I will link her channel in the description so you can go and check her channel out. And this is my second one. So they are the ATCs and they fit perfectly in this little holder. So that's that one. Then had a few extra little pieces again from the collection, and she can reuse this bag because it opens at the side. So it's just some little cards that I've put in now and some extra little cards, like little tiles sort of cards that have got little sayings and images on them, so they all fit perfectly in there. Like I said, you can reuse this little bag. The topper for this, I carefully took it off. The lovely Christine, I will leave her channel down below, sent this to me. I think she's in America. And yeah, so I will leave her channel in the description. Please go and check her channel out. When I did a challenge giveaway, she sent me an ATC and this was the bag topper she used. And I thought it would be quite nice to re-gift that and send it out in Happymail. So we got that one. I then made a rosette. I don't know if you can see the rosette underneath there. Obviously it's been layered with loads of different cut parts, fibres. Some bits are from that collection, then other pieces are from other collections. That got a heart there and that. So yeah, I've kind of made a nice rosette you can put on a project. I've put some backing paper in the back, again from that collection. So you can always use that on a different project. And then again the bag toppers, you can always take this off and reuse that in other projects and stuff. So that's that one. And then had quite a few pieces of elements to this collection. So as well as these, there's a few more like cut parts in here. There's some like bigger pieces that you could put on albums and things, and I thought it'd be quite nice just to bag those all up, or like parcel those up in as a little gift for her, to create, you know, a different project with those. Then used some of this what is it called, this what I picked up from the range, glass silk yarn in the green. I've used that to tie around this, and use again one of the tags from the collection as well. I just thought it'd be quite nice to send out and she can create some projects as well to coordinate with the things that I'm sending her. And then the last thing I made was this that holds cards. So I'm going to call it a box card holder. That's what we're going with. I just come up with the measurements myself. I just wanted to send her some handmade cards, and I thought it would be quite nice to house them in some form of box. So yeah, I've just kind of made this with all the measurements. I kind of went on the size of the cards that I had to hand to determine the size of this box. On the front, again, I've used some bits from that collection. This sticker was from the range in another collection. This word crafty here was sent to me by the lovely Alex. Again, you will find her channel in the description. Please go and check out all these lovely ladies. They make some really beautiful projects. I just used a paper clip here, and then I hung some alphas on the like beads on the side here. These are from Panda Haul, I think. If I can leave the link to those, I will in the description as well. This little flower flatback was sent to me by the lovely Hilda. I don't know if Hilda still has a YouTube channel. She used to many years ago, but I'm not 100% sure if she still has. If not, I will try and leave her Instagram in the description down below, because I know she still has an Instagram. This butterfly was from this same collection, same as the papers. This is what it looks like from the side and then the back. Yes, I just made the measurements for this, and then it's held by this paper clip, and then inside it opens up, and then there's like accordion, and it houses yeah, some cards that I've made. I've not filled all the pockets, but I have put together some cards that I had in my stash, and I've put them in here. So I'm just going to quickly run through the different cards that are in here. So it's that one. Hold on, I'll just move this to one side. So there's that one. This one, really cute. I tried to make like different kind of themed cards. This one, that one says happy birthday on it. And I think this is the last little card. Yeah, so I thought it's quite nice. Again, she's got some cards that she can gift out. Yeah, and then there's somewhere she can store all her cards if she makes them, like before she sends them out to people and stuff. Just put these all back in now. So yeah, so they fit all nicely in there, like that. And then you just fold this piece and then that piece down, and then I've just held it, like I said, together with this paper clip on the side. And I've obviously put her name on that with the beads. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I think that came out really cute, and a nice gift idea to send some handmade gifts in. I mean, you don't have to use cards. You could do any size really, and you could put some like papers that you wanted to share, or little embellishments. You could put those in there and share those with crafty friends. Yeah, so I hope she likes what I'm sending out. Like I said, please go and check out Kim's Instagram. Links will be in the description. I hope you're all having an awesome week, guys. And yeah, I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.